Hav, 8-year-old me getting scammed and adopt me. Ooh, a party invitation. Ooh, I love secrets. Let's go to the party so I can find out the secret. BC, I'm nosy. We're here. Hi.
Hi. Are you good at keeping secrets?
Yes.
Is your bear good at keeping dot secrets too?
Yes. I trained her well.
Good. So are you ready for the big secret?
Yes.
You have to give me a pet first dot so I can trust you. Give me a good pet.
Let's find a good pet. I'm gonna give her my Fleur de Ice.
Oh, a legendary.
Yes. I really want to know the secret. What's the secret?
The secret is, I scammed you.
What? Mochi, they scammed us. I trusted her. She looked like a nice person. She had a SpongeBob shirt. I thought all SpongeBob fans were loyal to each other. I'm reporting her. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Remember to subscribe so I can reach my goal of 500 subs. By the end of 2024.